We have an incredibly strong manufacturing community that has a world reputation. We're creating amazing products that are solving solutions for customers right across the globe.
We do have some capabilities which are internationally leading, so we're very deep in advanced composites for aerospace and aerostructures, and we're also leading on helping businesses undertake industrial decarbonisation or decarbonise both their operations and their supply chains.
We look at all the great innovations that have come from this area, but that continues through to today. We have Spirit Aerosystems, we have Collins Aerospace, we have Thompson's, we have Wrightbus, all these big brands which everybody recognises.
When you think about what's happening in universities and the learnings and the accelerated growth that we've had in robotics and AI, and within our own country we punch well above our weight.
Belfast is a brilliant event destination. We have 3 good airports. Global airports, city airport, international airport, and we've also got Dublin airport, which we can get flights from anywhere in the UK, Europe and globally.
We have relationships with all of the key supply chain here that you would need to organise an event, and also we're very well connected within the actual sector of advanced manufacturing.
But the fact that it's so compact and it's such a walkable city, and you can be here from 7 minutes when you land in the city airport, it's a fantastic place to be. And then when you're in the city, it sounds cliche, but the people, if I could bottle the Belfast welcome, I'd be a billionaire.
Well, Northern Ireland's got incredible businesses, got incredible leaders. There's some amazing things to see in our businesses and in our factories. That's intriguing to customers. It's intriguing to competitors as well. And wrapped around that is a personality that is world-renowned and a hospitality that is probably second to none. So when it comes to actually choosing a venue to come and see for yourself this incredible advanced manufacturing community and the personality around it, is an offer that I think many locations should really be taking up.